Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookie sandwiches, updated. Start by baking 2 batches of chewy cookies, then cool fully on racks. Make a creamy filling with butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla, and chill briefly so it holds shape. Match cookies by size, spread filling evenly, and press gently to bond. Roll edges in sprinkles or mini chips for a tidy finish and easy serving. Keep dough simple and reliable by weighing or properly measuring ingredients for consistent cookies every time. Use a mix of brown and granulated sugar for moisture and chew, and add a touch of cornstarch for tenderness. Scoop uniform portions and chill the dough to control spread and shape. Bake until edges are golden but centers still soft, then cool completely before assembling to avoid melting the filling during sandwiching. Make a stable yet creamy filling by creaming butter until light, then adding powdered sugar, a splash of cream, and vanilla. Adjust thickness so it pipes or spreads easily without sliding. Pair cookies by size, spread a uniform layer, and press gently to the edges. For fun, roll the exposed filling in sprinkles or mini chips. Chill the finished sandwiches to set the filling and make them easier to handle and transport.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.